Hello everyone, and welcome back to Fact Zone TV. Today, we are diving deep into the mysterious world of one of the most feared and fascinating creatures in the ocean, the shark. For millions of years, sharks have ruled the seas. Fast, powerful, intelligent, and sometimes terrifying, sharks are among the greatest hunters nature has ever created. But are sharks really the dangerous monsters many people think they are? Or is there more to these incredible animals than we know? Stay with us until the end, because today, we are uncovering the untold story of sharks. Deep beneath the ocean waves, where sunlight slowly disappears into darkness, sharks move silently through the water. Some are small enough to fit in your hand. Others grow longer than a bus. There are more than 500 species of sharks living in oceans around the world. From warm tropical waters to freezing cold seas, sharks have learned how to survive almost everywhere. But what makes sharks so powerful? Perhaps one of the most incredible things about sharks is their history. Did you know sharks are older than dinosaurs? That's right. Sharks have existed for more than 400 million years. This means sharks were swimming in the ocean long before dinosaurs ever walked on Earth. And somehow, they survived massive extinctions that wiped out many other animals. But survival like that is not luck. It comes from being perfectly designed for life in the ocean. Now let's talk about one of the shark's greatest superpowers, its senses. A shark's sense of smell is extremely powerful. Some sharks can detect tiny traces of blood in huge amounts of water. But despite what movies show, sharks do not simply attack everything they smell. In fact, many sharks are careful hunters. They often investigate before attacking prey. Another amazing sense sharks have is hearing. Sharks can hear low-frequency sounds from far away. Struggling fish in water create vibrations, and sharks can detect them quickly. But perhaps the most mysterious shark ability is something called electroreception. Yes, sharks have a hidden superpower. Special organs near their nose allow sharks to detect electrical signals made by living animals. Even if prey is hidden under sand, sharks may still find it. Imagine having a superpower that lets you feel hidden animals without seeing them. That is how extraordinary sharks really are. And now, let's talk about shark eyes. Many people think sharks cannot see well, but that is not true. Sharks have powerful eyesight designed for underwater hunting. Some species can even see in dark water. A protective layer in their eyes helps them see better when light is low. And here is something fascinating. Some sharks roll their eyes backward during attacks to protect them from injury. Nature has given sharks incredible tools for survival. But what about their teeth? A shark's mouth is one of the most famous things about it. Sharp, powerful, and terrifying. But here is a surprising fact. Sharks constantly lose and replace teeth. Some sharks may lose thousands of teeth during their lifetime. When one tooth falls out, another quickly moves forward to replace it. It is like having an endless supply of teeth. Different sharks have different teeth depending on what they eat. Some sharks have sharp teeth for tearing meat. Others have flat teeth for crushing shells. And some filter tiny food from water instead of hunting large animals. Not all sharks are giant hunters. The whale shark, the largest shark in the world, mostly eats tiny plankton. Even though it can grow over 12 meters long, it is gentle and harmless to humans. But not every shark is peaceful. The great white shark is one of the ocean's most powerful predators. Fast and intelligent, it can swim at incredible speeds while hunting seals and fish. Still, shark attacks on humans are extremely rare. In reality, humans are far more dangerous to sharks than sharks are to humans. Every year, millions of sharks are killed because of fishing and pollution. Many shark species are now threatened. Without sharks, ocean ecosystems could become unbalanced. Sharks help control populations of other animals and keep marine life healthy. They are not just hunters. They are important protectors of the ocean. As baby sharks grow, life becomes dangerous. Many young sharks must survive predators, hunger, and changing environments. Unlike many fish, some sharks are born alive, while others hatch from eggs. From the very beginning, young sharks must learn to survive on their own. No school, no parents teaching them, only instinct. And yet, they survive. Strong, silent, fearless. The shark has ruled the ocean for hundreds of millions of years. A creature older than dinosaurs. A hunter with incredible senses. A misunderstood animal that is far more important than most people realize. The next time you think of sharks, remember this. They are not just scary creatures from movies. They are one of nature's greatest survivors. Now let us explore one of the biggest questions people ask about sharks. Do sharks sleep? The answer may surprise you. Some shark species must keep swimming almost all the time. Why? Because they need water flowing through their gills to breathe. If they stop moving for too long, they may struggle to get enough oxygen. However, some sharks can rest on the ocean floor while still breathing. Scientists continue studying how sharks rest and sleep because much about their behavior remains mysterious. Now, let's talk about shark speed. Sharks are not only powerful, they are also incredibly fast. Some sharks can swim at speeds of more than 50 kilometers per hour. This speed helps them surprise prey before it can escape. Then suddenly, with incredible speed, it attacks. Scientists also study eagles because of their intelligence. Eagles learn from experience and improve their hunting skills over time. Young eagles often become better hunters after many failed attempts. Failure teaches them survival. And here is something truly amazing. When storms arrive, many birds hide. But eagles often fly above the storm. Using strong winds, they rise higher into the sky instead of escaping. Because of this, many people see the eagle as a symbol of courage and strength. The eagle teaches us an important lesson. Sometimes in life, instead of running from challenges, we must rise above them. Nature is full of incredible creatures, but few animals inspire humans as much as the eagle. Strong, intelligent, fearless, and beautiful, the eagle truly remains one of the greatest birds on Earth. Thank you for watching Fact Zone TV. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. See you in the next amazing adventure. The shortfin mako shark, one of the fastest sharks in the world, is known for incredible bursts of speed and powerful jumps above the ocean surface. Imagine seeing a giant shark leap from the water at full speed. It is one of the most breathtaking sights in nature. But sharks are not mindless hunters. Many scientists believe some shark species are surprisingly intelligent. Studies suggest sharks can learn from experience. Some even remember places where food is common. Over time, sharks improve hunting skills and adapt to their surroundings. Another surprising fact is communication. Although sharks do not speak like humans, they still communicate through body movement and behavior. The way a shark swims can show confidence, warning, or curiosity. Some sharks prefer living alone. Others sometimes travel in groups. The ocean is full of shark behavior that scientists are still trying to understand. Now let us travel to one of the strangest shark species in the world. The hammerhead shark. With its unusual head shape, the hammerhead looks almost like a creature from another planet. But this strange head has an important purpose. Its wide shape helps improve vision and detect electrical signals from prey hidden beneath sand. Nature created the hammerhead for survival. Then there is the tiger shark. Known for dark stripes on its body, the tiger shark is famous for eating many different things. Fish, turtles, birds, and even unusual objects have been found inside tiger sharks. Because of this, some people call them the garbage cans of the sea. Yet even tiger sharks play an important role in ocean balance. And then comes one of the largest fish on Earth, the whale shark. Despite its enormous size, the whale shark is peaceful. Instead of hunting large animals, it slowly swims through water, filtering tiny food. Divers from around the world dream of seeing one in real life. But sharks face serious dangers: overfishing, pollution, plastic waste, and climate change continue threatening many shark species. Millions of sharks are killed every year. Without sharks, ocean food chains can collapse. Protecting sharks means protecting the health of the entire ocean. Scientists and conservation groups around the world are working hard to save shark populations. And perhaps the biggest mystery of all: what secrets about sharks still remain hidden deep beneath the ocean? The sea remains one of the least explored places on Earth. And sharks continue swimming through those mysterious waters, powerful, ancient, and unforgettable. As the sun slowly disappears beneath the horizon and darkness covers the ocean, sharks continue their silent journey through the deep. Hidden beneath the waves, far from human eyes, these ancient hunters patrol a world filled with mystery. For more than 400 million years, sharks have survived ice ages, changing oceans, and mass extinctions. They lived before dinosaurs. They survived when giant creatures disappeared. And even today, They remain among the greatest survivors in nature. But despite their power, sharks face one challenge they never faced before: humans. Every year, oceans become more polluted. Plastic spreads across the sea. Overfishing continues to threaten marine life. And many shark populations continue to decline. The future of sharks may depend on the choices humans make today. Because without sharks, the ocean would never be the same. Sharks help keep marine ecosystems balanced. They help control populations of other sea animals and play an important role in keeping oceans healthy. Protecting sharks means protecting life in the sea itself. But perhaps the greatest lesson sharks teach us is survival. For hundreds of millions of years, sharks adapted, changed, and continued moving forward. They remind us that strength is not only about power. Sometimes, survival is about adapting to change. The next time you hear the word shark, do not think only of fear. Think of mystery. Think of power. Think of one of the oldest and most extraordinary creatures still living on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this incredible underwater adventure. We hope you enjoyed discovering the untold story of sharks. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fact Zone TV, and turn on notifications so you never miss another amazing fact. And now we want to hear from you. Would you ever swim in the ocean knowing sharks might be nearby? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching Fact Zone TV. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. See you in the next amazing adventure.